how to update Netflix application in your iPhone. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to App Store application. Here in App Store, on the lower right side on your screen, you can see the search button. Okay, you can tap the search button or icon here and now search the Netflix. After you search the Netflix, okay, you can see on the right side of this the update button. So okay, you'll have to do is tap the update button on the right side of Netflix account. And after that, you can see here the update button again beside of this Netflix and tap this. And now we have updating the Netflix. Okay, wait a couple of seconds or minutes depending on your internet connection. And after you update the Netflix, okay, you can see the open button here. Tap this or you can go to Netflix application to open the Netflix. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully updated the Netflix application on your iPhone mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.